What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got this custom bobber here. It started out as a 2000 Honda Shadow 600. Take a quick walk around this thing. All this stuff was done professionally. It's actually done really well. It wasn't done in someone's garage. It's actually got a really nice look to it. So we got the rear tire here. Rear tire's got plenty of tread left on it. Definitely good to go for inspection, or a lot of miles left on that. It is chain driven, so there's the chain, the rear sprocket. Coming up over the top here, you can see the first piece of the custom work is this rear fender. As you can see, it's got the short fender at the brace there. All this paint is like really well done. It's made to look old. So that's that. You've got the white wall tires there, the black spoke wheels. Here you can see where they did some custom modification right there. They actually got the rear turn signals are here and here, and then there's your brake light is right over top of the license plate mount. Got this hard C right here, continuing that bobber look, along with the side panel. All this paint goes together really well. Got the genuine wrap parts right there, right on the side cover. Obviously there's no passenger pegs because there's no passenger seat. Has the Vance and Hines exhaust. You can see that right there. Here's the motor. There's the side of the air cleaner. There's the head there. This is a really nice bike. It runs really well, starts right up, no issues at all. Got the side of the tank here. Even these like little marks in here, like they're supposed to be there. It gives it that aged look. So that's really cool. So there's the rider peg here and the rear brake there. It's got this plastic shield here covering up over all the like electric or the wires go in, the brake cables and everything. Got the little like the mini apes on there, kind of going with that bobber look again. It all goes together really well. Right down to like the white grips and the black mirrors, everything just flows well. You got your single gauge up top here. Got the headlight, turn signals there. We're getting it close on the fork tubes. There is that. And there's the black spoke wheel up front too, also with the white wall tire. Fork tubes on this side. And there's your front brake. And that black wheel. Got your front tire. Front tire's in good shape. Very similar to the back tire. A lot of life left on it. I feel like they were probably done at the same time. There is a mark here on the side of this turn signal that I want to point out. Right there. Not quite sure how that little scratch got there, but it is there. Got the side of the tank here. Again, all the paint is just done really well. The bike is carbureted, so you got the choke here, get your fuel petcock valve here. So you know that. And here close to the motor on this side. There's that. Got your rider peg, shifter, got the kickstand. Over here you got they got the sticker on this side panel, the 5-finger death punch sticker. Cool if you like it. If not, I'm sure it'll come off. Yeah, so there's the frame, as you can see, the chain going back to the rear sprocket, and the tail light that we already looked at. So come over to the top. See this hard seat. I'm not gonna lie, this seat is not very forgiving. This is it's a rigid seat. There's no give there. So that's the way it is, but it is a nice seat. There's no tears or anything. Good to go. Got a little bit more of this custom pinstriping here up on top. Turn this thing on. There you go, you can see 8,190 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive, so if you're watching this video because you're interested in this bike, make sure you watch the test drive video. Let's fire it up. sure that these signals work as they should. Front signal on that side. Front signal on this side. There's your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a custom bobber. It started out as a 2000 Honda Shadow 600. It's professionally done. Everything is awesome. If you like this look, this is definitely the bike for you. It's going to be priced to sell. Do not miss out on this thing, and thanks so much for watching.